Welcome to Bosch Classic and Sports Car. Today we've been offered this left-hand drive 1981 Ferrari 308 GTSi with Targa top. Finished in Rosso red with black leather upholstery. The car presents beautifully. It's covered 43,000 miles. Last owner from 1999 with 40,000 miles. So a lot of mileage in this time. It's had a recent cam belt change and a new clutch just because of the age and the little use. Most will recognise the car as the featured in Magnum Private Investigator, a very popular film series or TV series of the era. Everyone recognises a red Ferrari anyway. Looking down the car, paintwork's in very nice condition. There are a few tiny little flaws but nothing serious for the age of the car. The wheels have obviously been refurbished. Lovely condition. The Targa top is off at the moment because it's such a lovely day. Inside the car, black leather and door cards, all in nice condition. Carpets, dashboard, steering wheel, centre console, 5-speed manual with the Ferrari gate, no cracks on the dashboard, and there you'll see the mileage, 43,000. Start the engine for you. We'll have a run down the road in it at the moment. Bosch fuel injection there, engine ticks over well. So toolkit, the back there for the tonneau cover, for the Targa top I should say. There we are. So if you're interested in one of these cars, this one is great value. Give us a call, 01507 606 725, or visit the website wallsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you. Okay, we'll just give you a little run of the road in this lovely 308 GTSi. Going up through the gears, you see it's steering dead straight ahead. Lovely sound. On the steering, coming down the gears, fourth, no crunch, third, again no crunch, again down into second. It's all good on the gears, brakes pull up fairly straight. running time 43,400 miles, believed to be accurate. See no reason why it shouldn't be. So very little miles since 1999. Smooth, no misfires or anything, so all in all, great entry level Ferrari. If you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or go on the website wellsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you.